Someone's had a go at the door lock and broken the flap, so it's got water in there. I'm going to try some lube just to see if we can free it off, because when I put the key in, it don't go all the way into jamming. Let's see if we can work some magic on this. Just going to keep working at it, keep wiggling it, wiggle, 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 just keep on going, adding more lube, working it in, pulling the key in and out, wiggling, wiggling, wiggling. Been at it for about 10 minutes, just wiggling it. I'm just going to take the little screw out the back of that, put the key stub in a pair of pliers, just to give me a bit more purchase so I'm not going to damage the key case. So I've got that, I'll just grab that into those and give it a, just give me a bit more grip on it. Round 2, let's go again. Yeah, that feels so much better, more grip, a bit more purchase there. I can really get at it now. Wiggling it, working those tumblers just one at a time, just working that lube in. I'm putting my coat on because I was getting cold. A little tap just to free the tumblers, just get that lube in a bit more.
Sometime later.
Yeah, a lot of time later. Yay, back to life. Put the screw through. Raise it back up again. If that's been of use, just drop me a little thumbs up, drop me some comments, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.